We're all ready to go. Engine's warming up. Lindy is about to start pulling in the anchor. It's just 3 miles to Puerto del Rey, around that point. Right there. Here we go. After a season cruising between Antigua and Puerto Rico, we were at our final stop, Safe Harbor, Puerto del Rey, the largest marina in the Caribbean. Okay, we are tied up. We went to the fuel dock, which was successful, and then had to get off that dock, and then we moved around here. Oh, nice. How'd we do, Lindy?
We did.
Only one more move of the season, and that'll be when we come out of the slip and go back around to get hauled out. Wow. We're gonna start working on things on the boat right away. We've got 4 days, but yeah, all we're gonna really be doing is prepping to come out of the water. Hey, haul out day has arrived. We even moved to the Airbnb yesterday. You can see what our bed looks like now. It becomes a storage area. We're getting really close. Yeah. Already got the helm set up, and you know, about an hour we'll fire up the engine and go around to get hauled out. Yard crew is left. They've got the boat on the jack stands here at this spot right next to a center cockpit island packet, also from Cortez, Florida. That's hilarious. What are the chances? Strap it down. He said he does one on the bow, one on the stern, and then 2 midship on each side. Back to this pipe that's encased in the cement here to hold the boats in the event of high winds. And we're getting a look at the bottom. I think it looks okay. We're trying to decide if we need to change the cutlass bearing. We're not really sure if that's too much play. We'll look into it. Other than that, the bottom looks pretty good. Hopefully we don't have a hurricane and find that it falls on this giant power box and puts a big hole in the side. That's probably what would happen if the worst happened, but yeah, we'll hope for no big storms. All right, Lindy's getting on. We've got more chores to do today. And how many days till we fly out, Lindy? 3 nights.
Yeah, today, 3 counting today. We just have gone.
3 That's right. It's about 12:30, so we need to get to work. Yeah, doing all the stuff. Really gotten a lot done in a short time. What all have we done so far, Lindy, today?
We flushed the diesel water system with fresh water. We removed the boom, and we got our running rigging. So that's our ropes that are that help with the sails and everything. We got that all situated the way we want to leave it for the season. And then we cleaned the Bimini and Dodger, and it's drying so that it can be stored.
We got the cockpit real good too while we're doing that.
Got cleaned. That wasn't even on the list.
That's right. Lindy's checking the list to see what else we need to do. Johnny did a real good job tying the boat. We've got these here, another one there going to the stern. It's the same on both sides. We went from the mast for this midship one. Thought that looked really good. Running here. Yeah. This yard is impressive. It's really busy. Lots going on. Lots of boats. Whew. Getting closer. And like Lindy was saying here, we took the boom off. Got it lashed down there. Decreases some windage in case there was a big storm. Also, we bring in our, you know, main sheet and the boom vang sheet, and lots of blocks, all kinds of expensive stuff that would just be sitting out here in the sun. Now it's living down below. All right, it's the next day. We're thinking we can probably finish everything up today and have a full day tomorrow before we fly out the following day on the 4th of July. Here's our little Airbnb. The house we're staying is this one, and our door is right there. Nice little place. All right, let's get back to the boat. Right, it's after 5 o'clock. We've been working all day long. We didn't quite get done, but we're almost done. Wow. You can see the V-berth's loaded with stuff. Helm wheels off. A couple of the solar panels here in the bathroom. Outboard motors inside. Water maker's been inside. Bunch of our running rigging. Today we emptied the refrigerator. Did the final clean out of it. Quarter berth. Looking crazy. And we've got the Bimini and Dodger off. Here's the solar panel that we'll leave out to keep the bilge pump topped off, batteries topped off. All right, you ready to get out of here, babe?
Yeah, do you want your hat?
Yes, please. Okay. Whew, back tomorrow morning. Shouldn't take us long to get finished up, and that'll wrap it up for the season. Okay, it's the day before our flight. We're getting down to the end here. Porta boat is inside. There's stuff everywhere. Lindy's got her big damp red bucket set up. There was one up there. Here's one here. Yeah.
We just closed the front hatch and turned off the fans and immediately started pouring sweat. Dinghy storage. Oh, you already did it. Vinegar sealing. Set up damp red. Yeah, tape hatches.
All right, there comes Lindy. She just did one last load of laundry, and we're off the boat. Or you can do an extension attachment. Right, looking good.